Building your personal economy from the global financial market, brought to you by Plan B Express. My name is Midas Jimo. I'm the team leader of Plan B Express. I'm going to be taking you through what do we do and then what do you want, why do you want to explore the global financial market, how do you go about it. So stay patient and follow me as I take you through this presentation. It's not going to take up to 30 minutes, and then you get at a glance and you know what we offer in Plan B Express and why and how are you going to achieve financial freedom exploring the global financial market. So go with me, and as I take you on a ride now, and it promises to be great, and it's not going to be a waste of time at all. All right. So stay put and let's go together. Thank you very much, and you're welcome. So once again, you're welcome to Plan B Express and welcome to this opportunity. This opportunity is presented to you by Plan B Express and what we're going to have to offer. Now let's start with building your personal economy from the global financial market, brought to you by Plan B Express. Okay, what does Plan B Express represent? Number one, Plan B Express is a digital entrepreneur and blockchain technology ecosystem, and our motto is Together We Rise. I think it's very, very vital. So together we rise. And if you're listening to me, please, I would love you to be attentive. Take note of anything you want to take note. And probably after now, you can ask some questions, and then it's going to be phenomenal. Our goal is 5 years to financial freedom via digital asset accumulation from the global financial markets, such as crypto, stocks, forex, commodities, and synthetics. Our mission is building people in achieving the following. Number one, personal economy. Number two, maximize social capital. Number three, healthy lifestyle, maximizing digital ecosystem, and build family reorientation, family value reorientation. Now, you can now attest to it that one of the big things is that we know that money is very important, and so we want people to achieve financial freedom. And of course, we may want to meet the person who is the team lead of this ecosystem. All right, so my name is Midas Jimo. So I'm a graduate of education in the University of Jos, and a seasoned digital entrepreneur with over 25 years experience in the space. And then, of course, I'm the team leader of Plan B Express, empowering people through blockchain technology and, of course, the stock market, forex, synthetics, affiliate marketing. I've raised over 1,000 genuine millionaires across continent through online ventures. When I mean 1,000 millionaires, I can boldly tell you that I'm not bragging, but if I'm bragging, I think I'm boasting in the Lord that have engraced me to actually do this fervently. Okay. Now, of course, I'm an expert in blockchain technology and AI-driven financial system, creating innovative platforms for secure global transactions. And of course, I'm a member of Nigerian Institute of Chartered Management and a certified digital marketing. All right, and the blockchain, ICT, Cisco, CompTIA, and CCNP. I'm into IT, and I know a background of IT, and now, of course, entrepreneurship. Who is this class for? And of course, we can ask, who is Plan B actually fit? But if you are listening to me, this class is for you. Number one, if any one of you is looking to starting making dollar from global financial market, that means you need to pay attention. Number two, you are a beginner with no prior trading experience. This class is actually for you. Number three, traders who want better tools and mentorship. Of course, you can't go away from Plan B. Investors exploring passive income via copy trading or robot AI, then you need to stay. Then athletes looking for residual income opportunity, then we have got your back. Of course, I'm not going to bore you about the segment of the world where we have a choice to make. You have a choice to be at the left side of the world, or you have a choice to be at the right side of the world. Now, this is not motivational. It's just for you to look at it. No matter what you're doing, when talk about financial freedom is beyond employment, be an employee, it's beyond being a self-employed. Because most time people think that, okay, if I'm not working for anybody, I have my freedom. That's not true. You may not be working for anybody, but you still involved in rat race. So that's one of the things we want people to understand. How are you involved in a rat race? Okay, you're working for somebody. That means, practically speaking, you own not yourself. You are owned by somebody. Okay, so it means you're going to be working in exchange of your life for money. And of course, self-employed is even worse because you can't even trust. You can't have time for yourself. So many people think that being a self-employed, you have escaped the rat race. You're still in the rat race. So you need to shift to the right side, which are business owners. Of course, most people think about when it has to do with business owners in the industrial time, you know that business owners are going to struggle, all right? Business owners are going Serious capital is a very, very one of the limitations to be a business owner. Okay. Now, if that is the case, so there is a need for you to look at how to secure overhead costs. But good news is this: you want to be an investor, it rather involve big money. Now, the solution to this is when you're able to build social capital. Now, we'll explain this in a different episode. Now, you're able to build social capital and the power of leverage. Leveraging is one of the biggest things today. Now, listen, knowledge acquire to build up this is decentralized. Money need to build this is other people's money. I can trust me. You can access fund. What if I tell you that accessing the global financial market, the knowledge is free, the money you have little cost to get started, and that's one of the things we're going to put us through. So it means, what if I can tell you that there's a way you can start a business overhead cost, right? And with total startup capital, maybe $1,000, and you're accessing over $200,000. What about that? What if I tell you that there's a place you can start with just $100 and you have access to fund of over $10,000 to $20,000? That's what you need. So capital, knowledge. And so knowledge is decentralized. Capital is leverage. Okay? That's exactly what you're going to look at. So from there, we mentor you to become an investor. So let's quickly go. Why start now? Of course, Naira inflation is over 20 to 24 inflation if you live in Nigeria. So not earning in dollar is quite risky, or not earning in hard currency is quite risky. Financial market over opportunity to grow wealth in dollars. Okay. Foreign exchange market now does above average of $10 trillion cap, transaction in 24 hours. Turnover, that's amazing. Imagine a growing economy in cryptocurrency. Of course, you trust me, the front of a fantastic environment today that you can build up finance. And that's what I'll say 5 years to financial freedom via digital asset accumulation. And that's about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency and blockchain offer good privacy and asset democratization. So you democratize your asset. So you do not need to have so much a problem in getting all of those things. So democratization of asset is one of the biggest aspects of cryptocurrency, as we have and blockchain technology. Open access to market via online trading brokers and platforms. Then smart tools and automation are made it easier to get started. So there is no best time to start than now. I can tell you that. There's no best time to start than now. So ladies and gentlemen, I think it's the right time. So understanding the global financial market, forex, capital market, commodity market, indices, energy, metal, synthetics, cryptocurrency, these are different segments of the global financial market. Of course, you will say, Fairly did not talk about money market. Of course, that go around vis-a-vis the capital market and related to stuff like that. Now, most people want to ask me, now, why don't I invest? Of course, we go to the world about diversification, and that will expose you to money market and all of that. But trust me, you want to passively make money in the system, actively making money in the system, so you have all of this. Now, the foreign exchange, not even foreign exchange, cryptocurrency, for instance, open 247. So you trade at your convenience. Now, high liquidity and volatility, profit-making opportunities, financial instruments like Euro, USD, GBP, JPY, BTC, gold, US 30, oil, BTC, which has to do with volatility 75 on derivatives, synthetic trading, Invida on stock market and all of that. So market participation, we have government, banks, hedge funds, institutional and retail traders. Most of us who are trading at our own dependent level were retail traders. What we leverage on institutional tools, like their tools, their fund, and all of that. That's the power of leverage that you want to get into. Important tool to start trading the global financial market. Number one, you have forex education. Of course, we have this got your back and quite fantastic for you. So you gain skills and strategy to trade with confidence. So one of the things that many people have told me, I know this strategy, I know smart money concept, I know all of this. I say it's not all. There are three things that matters and magic in system of trading. Number one is called securing capital. Number two, or protecting capital. Number two, securing profit. And number three, trading with profit. But it requires some other concept magic again, the magic of risk management, trade management, and psychology. So the first magic is, the first segment of the magic is number one, you look at the magic of securing capital, right? Or protecting capital, securing profit and trade with profit. But this can only mean manifest by another three magic system, which is called the risk management, the trade management, and the psychology. Okay, so we have trade signals. Of course, trade signals opportunity delivered to you. We have different trade signals that you can trade with. So that's another part of leverage. Then we have copy trading, automatically replicate, the trades of expert into your account. Simple. You don't need to do anything. Hold your hands. Now, this is not a Ponzi scheme. This is not scam. This is not get rich quick. This is not investment scheme. You fund your account independently, both on Forex and derivative synthetics, and then you get connected to an expert account, and then you are making money. But take note, this is not hit and run. You can make profits some month, you can lose profits some month, and all of that. But the truth is that your money is not going to run away. Okay, we have AI scanners. AI and scanners help to identify good entries and notification. Then trading community. So that's an edge for you. You can have access to our Signal forum, information forum, where you can learn more about how the market is. Why Plan B Academy? Of course, we have comprehensive forex educations and crypto education. We have supportive community of likes mind. We have real-time trading signals, copy and paste to earn while you learn, access to powerful market tools for easy, profitable trading, and expert mentorship for all members, copy trading services, just like I've done mentioned. Now, there's a disclaimer because for the offer. Of course, you can read everything you are doing here is not a financial advice. This is just a financial education. We educate and enlighten people. And whatever thing you are doing, you need to consult your financial advisor. And of course, this does not constitute authority of like advising you of this what the market is going to do. We all know that the market is dynamic, it's risky, it can go up while you are predicting down. So most importantly, you have to understand that market will always beat up to whatever you want to beat up to. So don't constitute whatever thing we say as a financial advice. Okay. Now, so what we offer to smart traders and investors, number one, free general orientation. So we have free group where you can join, get to hear on the Telegram, on WhatsApp, and on Whoops app, where you can learn just general information about financial market. We have Academy, a structured 3-month training in forex, crypto, and synthetics. You want to enroll, so there's a cost for that. You can enroll and get to learn about the market independently. Okay, this is amazing, and you can afford to miss out on anything here. So we have passive income opportunity, which has to do copy trading, automation, stock trading, and all the like. Then we have trade signals, monthly or yearly paid signals. If you want to subscribe or you want to connect with our brokers and fund your account would require a month, and then you have access to our free signals. Active career trading opportunity. Of course, we train, mentor you, and then show you how to explore the global financial market independently, not rely on anybody. Then we have affiliate rebate and affiliate marketing. So we have affiliate rebate system of different brokers, and of course, they connected to affiliate system that you can make money, which has to do with residual and of course a kind of leverage income, as it were. So one-on-one mentorship. Okay, we run one-on-one mentorship. Of course, you want to meet with me one-on-one to train you independently, then there is a cost for that, and then you get one-on-one training. Then we have private portfolio mentorship. Okay, this has to do with opportunity to assemble crypto stocks and other instruments, low gems with less stress. Okay, now, so great tools for smart traders. We have AI Signal app, send trade alert based on key levels and price action and AI prompt, right? Zone with signals, alert, and all of that. Then we have order block analyzers and other related scanners, find key levels and price action. MT5 FLS hack, help traders to scalp with confidence, hybrid, all right, robot, unlock the power of automation in your trade. And then we have reputable brokers and exchange, e.g. Capital Exchange, the Reeve, Web Trade, and Bybit. Of course, CoinW is part of the thing in future trading. Then we have prop firm, so different prop firm you can leverage on. Talk about, beginning I talk about capital. So capital is no longer a problem right now. It's just that you may not have access to the right information. So help for capital scaling. Now, so one of the first software we have is a software trades, I would say trade smarter with AI powered trading signals. So this use AI signal scanner, to scan the forex, synthetic indices, and crypto market based on key levels and price action and AI prompt, right? Set up accuracy range from 75 to 95% plus. Okay. Now, when it gives you signal notification, it's about 75 to 95% accuracy. Load inbuilt chart to display. Now, if you don't have a trading view and all of that, with your smartphone alone, you can capture the market and trade as much as possible. Then send instant trade opportunity alert directly to your mobile web browser, which means notification will just come. If I show you some notification that come to my phone right now, you'll be surprised of, oh, is that how it works? So for instance, if I show you an example, right? So it's saying AUD, USD, and all of that. This is an example. Okay, this is an example.
right? So it gives me signals, and so I will just learn how to apply using all of those signals, okay? Then execute and manage the trade manually or use smart automated or say shows trend direction, shows sending pairs, voice command to detect trade signals and market trend, risk management tools such as lot size to be used and all of that. It gives you all of this. Then we have other one, how to receive or verify trading, right? So we have use order block analyzer and demand zones. You can need example of that on the chart. These are demand and supply zones when the market give you, then you enter the market. Then we have, of course, more scanner, use smart indicators combination for market entry. You can see a lot of them like that, right? To have different scanners that give you opportunity to traders. Then this is Felix hack, the hybrid indicators on MT5 that can detect entry for you and then just to follow the instructions and make a lot of money. So what next? Your next step is that choose your area of interest and starting level. Maybe you want to trade forex. Of course, what we recommend is capital extend. There's a link on the comment section and then you click on it, register. So there's an onboarding information. Then you register, fund your account with the required amount you want. Then you have Deriv, you have Well Trade, buy Bitcoin W for crypto. All right, Deriv and Well Trade are for synthetics, while Bybit and CoinW are for crypto, both future and then spot trading. Then fund your account with minimum of $100 for forex and $200 for future trading, while $50 for synthetics, and then receive an onboarding tools training. Join the training community for free signals and all that. Start trading or copying the expert with a minimum of $500 for capital extend. Then if you want monthly or yearly subscription signals, it's $50 on either forex, synthetic, or future trading. Then or $500 in a year. So we run online and on-site free presentation with live trading sessions Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays, and Saturday's weekly market update are actually, Sunday weekly market update. What I mean by on-site is that we have an office at number 49 Udabaro, which is Chidima Plaza, opposite Tea, Room Mercy, Port Harcourt, River State, Nigeria. And then we run every Thursday that we give general orientation and, of course, signals or live trading session. So why Capital Extend? Why we partner Capital Extend for trading? The Capital Extend team has been serving traders since 2005 and has led the way in online trading ever since, right? To become a leading global financial service provider. So we enjoy copy trading function with ease. It has 3-in-1 solutions such as passive income, active income, and good partnership programs. Okay. Now, of course, worldwide presence of this company, and then their license. You can read more about that. Seamless deposit and withdrawal method. Fantastic. It's quite amazing. Now, so what do we do? We have free tools validity for 30 days offers. Number one, if you fund your account with minimum of $100 for free beginners training and AI signal softwares, right? And then if you fund your account with $500 beginner training and 3 more signals, fund your account with $500, maybe you want to do auto copy trading of our platform. Then if you fund your account with $1,000 and above, you can have access to our order block analyzer scanners and other related support information. Then 2,000 more scanners, and then 2,000 hybrid robot AI, then 5,000 one-on-one mentorship. Now, for instance, if you register on Capital Extend and fund your account with $5,000, you pay nothing to me, but you have access to me on free one-on-one mentorship, right? My one-on-one mentorship ordinarily for private mentorship is $5,000. But once you fund your account and you are ready to trade, I won't charge you. I'll put you through on how to go. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions, we give you process of how to get that. I have told you I was not going to waste your time, and this has to go. So, thank you very much for listening. If you want to chat with us, of course, you can chat with our phone number you saw on the screen, +2349047044998. All right. And this is what we offer, and it's amazing, and people have been producing results. The next session I'm going to have with you, we'll see a lot of testimonials as you have. So thank you very much for listening and for coming for this training. This is amazing, and my name is Midas Flexium. Bye and have a nice time. I hope you enjoyed this training presentation, and I'm sure you will definitely come on board as fast as possible and let us teach you how to collect the money. This is not Ponzi scheme. We're not introducing to Ponzi scheme. We're not ready for that. We're not interested. We have seen a lot. I feel somebody who have been in this space for about 25 years should have the good, the bad, the ugly experience that he can share with you. And that's one of the things. Our goal is to make sure that people are able to access now all the necessary things from the global financial market in building their financial freedom. So do have a nice time. My name again is Midas Ifalejimo. I'm the team lead of Plan B Express, and do have a nice time. Bye-bye.